Pocket NC is excited to launch an updated software and user interface, Kinetic Control. The new Kinetic Control provides a number of improvements over the previous software, combining the best of both worlds in Linux CNC and Machine Kit. Kinetic Control offers full 5-axis tool center point control, improved rotary axis unwinding, as well as a new user-friendly interface for controlling Pocket NC machines. Tool center point control allows the operator to more easily program G-code, locating the work coordinate system off of the stock instead of the center of rotation of the machine. Improved rotary axis unwinding handles resetting the B-axis to 0 without requiring a complete unwind. The top screen shows the previous unwind, taking significantly longer than the improved unwind and Kinetic Control shown in the bottom screen. The new user interface adds functionality and advanced feedback, such as chip load and surface speed. The interface includes commonly used MDI commands, active G&M codes, key bindings, and more, all in an intuitive and simple interface. Kinetic Control was designed with current and future Pocket NC machines in mind. Kinetic Control begins shipping on Pocket NC machines on November 1st, 2021. Learn more by visiting pocketnc.com/kineticcontrol.